Hi there. AI literacy is becoming key to AI success in industries everywhere. Get ready to understand how AI can make an impact on your career and business. Join us as we explore the exciting world of AI and its potential benefits. In our AI literacy session on January 7th, you'll learn the fundamentals of AI in a simple and approachable way. No technical background needed. You'll discover how AI can enhance your role and drive results for your organization. This seminar is all about active engagement. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions directly of our AI expert presenter and see practical, real-world examples of AI in action. You'll be able to ask questions on how these apply to your role. Plus, we're adding a little twist. We are doing a Fedora fundraiser as part of this event. Join us in your favorite hat, and we'll donate $5 with each registration to St. Jude Children's Hospital to help fight childhood cancer. Learn AI while giving back to support a great cause. As a bonus, you could win our Fedora fundraiser hat competition. We'll be awarding prizes for the best hat and most creative hat, with winners receiving a free 30-minute personal coaching session with our AI expert. Our session is designed to be engaging and interactive, ensuring you walk away with valuable insights. Whether you're in marketing, HR, finance, or operations, AI can revolutionize your approach and drive success. Register now to take advantage of our early bird offer of $89 for the live class, which includes a question and answer session. After the event, the class will be available for $149 per person, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Join us for an engaging learning experience that's both educational and meaningful. We can't wait to see you and your amazing hats on January 7th. Register now and begin your journey with new AI skills.